In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload stickers to Sellfy so you can start selling your creativity online. Whether you're an artist looking to monetize your designs or simply exploring new ways to share your art, Sellfy offers a simple platform to reach your audience. Let's walk through the steps together. First, let's ensure your sticker files are ready for upload. You'll want to gather all the individual files, whether they're PNGs or JPEGs, and package them into a single, downloadable zip folder. This makes it straightforward for customers to receive all the files in one easy download. Double-check that each sticker file is clear and has transparent backgrounds, as this will enhance their usability on digital platforms like GoodNotes or Notability. Now that your files are neatly packaged, it's time to start the upload process. Head over to your Sellfy dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your products and sales. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Products. This is where you can manage existing items or add new ones to your storefront. To add your stickers, you'll want to click on Add New Product and then select the option for Digital Product. This is important because your stickers will be delivered to customers in a digital format rather than a physical one. Once you've selected this option, you'll be prompted to upload your zip file. Go ahead and click to upload your file, ensuring you select the right one. Having these files organized from the beginning saves time and prevents any confusion during this step. With your file now uploaded, it's time to add some important details to help your product stand out. Start by giving your sticker pack a clear and enticing name that reflects the style or theme, something catchy like Boho Digital Sticker Pack. A good name will grab attention and inform potential buyers about the content. Next, set a price for your sticker pack. Consider factors like the complexity and uniqueness of your designs when determining this. After setting the price, it's crucial to make your product visually appealing. Upload some engaging cover art and preview images. Showcase your stickers being used in practical ways, for instance, on a digital planner mockup. This gives potential customers a sense of how they might use the stickers themselves. Now let's focus on your product description. This space is where you provide all necessary details, like the file formats included, such as PNGs with transparent backgrounds, the total number of stickers in the pack, and suggested uses. Clarity here can help manage customer expectations and prevent misunderstandings. Finally, with everything filled in and double-checked for accuracy, click Save Product. This last step will list your digital stickers in your Sellfy store, making them available for customers to discover and purchase. And that's it. You're now ready to share your sticker designs with the world. Stay creative and keep refining your store to attract even more buyers. Happy selling!